Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BTC in Exodus. First, make sure your Exodus wallet is fully updated to access all features and ensure security. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with a supported cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Litecoin, which you'll exchange for Bitcoin. Navigate to the exchange section within your wallet. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth transaction. Now, let's initiate the exchange. From the Exchange tab, choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap for Bitcoin. Then, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to receive. Exodus will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of your chosen crypto. Take a moment to review the displayed exchange rate and any associated network fees. This ensures you're comfortable with the transaction details before proceeding to the next step. Once you've reviewed everything, it's time to finalize your Bitcoin purchase. Double-check that the amounts and cryptocurrencies are correct. When you're ready, click the Exchange button. Exodus will then process your order. You can monitor the transaction's progress directly within your wallet, usually under the History section. The Bitcoin should appear in your wallet shortly after the network confirms the transaction, typically within a few minutes. Finally, a few important tips. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, so be mindful of market changes during your exchange. Always prioritize the security of your Exodus wallet by enabling strong passwords and two-factor authentication if available. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps keep your crypto safe and your home smart. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.